Good afternoon, this is DCOM20. In the competitive world of action cameras, the HERO13 Black stands out as a remarkable option for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Priced at less than $300, this camera offers an impressive array of features and performance capabilities that are sure to satisfy even the most demanding users. The HERO13 Black boasts a sleek and robust design, crafted to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. Its waterproof casing ensures that it can be submerged up to 33 feet without any additional housing. One of the most impressive aspects of the HERO13 Black is its exceptional image and video quality. Equipped with a 23 megapixel sensor, the camera delivers stunningly detailed photos with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. The enhanced image processing capabilities ensure that every shot is capable of capturing position. When it comes to video recording, the HERO13 Black truly shines. It supports 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, allowing for incredibly smooth and lifelike footage. The camera also offers a range of resolutions and frame rates, including 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 FPS, providing flexibility for different shooting scenarios. The advanced HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization technology ensures that videos remain steady and free from unwanted vibrations, resulting in professional-grade recordings. The HERO13 Black is an outstanding action camera that delivers exceptional performance and value for less than $300. Its rugged design, superior image and video quality, and advanced features make it a top choice for adventurers, content creators, and anyone seeking to capture their experiences in stunning detail. Whether you're scaling mountains, diving into the depths of the ocean, or simply exploring your surroundings, the HERO13 Black is the perfect companion to document your journey. With its unbeatable combination of quality and affordability, this camera is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography game. Here you could see DCOM20 walking down the street while making a short video. This is handheld with a small Joby, a tripod, very small. The combined weight is minimal, seeing that this is December. The small Joby tripod and the camera fit into the hand very easily. The GoPro HERO13 Black has garnered considerable attention in the action camera market, and after spending some time with it, I can confidently say that it lives up to the hype. For this review, I used a camera handheld, supported by a small Joby tripod, and made color adjustments using DaVinci Resolve Studio. Here are my thoughts on this impressive piece of equipment. The unboxing process of the GoPro HERO13 Black was straightforward, albeit a bit underwhelming due to the lighting conditions. I used a cell phone to record the unboxing, with a desk lamp providing the sole source of light. Unfortunately, the lighting was subpar, casting unflattering shadows and creating a less than ideal reviewing experience. However, I managed to rectify this issue to some extent in post-production using DaVinci Resolve, which improved the overall quality of the video. Using the GoPro HERO13 Black was a delight. The camera is compact and easy to handle. Using the GoPro HERO13 Black was a delight. The camera is compact and easy to use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and seasoned videographers alike. The touch screen is responsive, allowing for quick adjustments and seamless navigation through the menu options. The camera performed admirably in various settings, capturing high-quality footage with ease. One of the standout features of the GoPro HERO13 Black is its ability to produce vibrant, lifelike colors. I adjusted the color in DaVinci Resolve Studio, utilizing the auto color feature to enhance the visuals. The results were impressive, with the footage displaying a rich, dynamic range of colors that added depth and realism to the scenes. Whether shooting in bright daylight or low light conditions, the GoPro HERO13 Black consistently delivered stunning visuals. As with any action camera, Battery life is a crucial factor to consider. The GoPro HERO13 Black offers decent battery performance, although I would recommend purchasing additional batteries for extended shooting sessions. This precaution ensures that you won't miss any action-packed moments due to a depleted battery. In terms of durability, the GoPro HERO13 Black is built to withstand the rigors of adventurous filming. Its robust construction inspires confidence, and I felt assured that it could handle the occasional bump or drop. This resilience makes it a reliable companion for capturing extreme sports, travel, adventures, and everyday moments. One of the most appealing aspects of the GoPro HERO13 Black is its affordability. Priced at less than $300, it represents excellent value for money, especially for those looking to invest in their first action camera. The combination of high-quality performance, user-friendly features, and robust durability makes it a standout option in this price range. In summary, the GoPro HERO13 Black is an exceptional action camera that offers a compelling blend of performance, usability, and affordability. Its vibrant color reproduction, durable build, and intuitive touchscreen make it a joy to use, whether you're a novice or seasoned videographer. These are easily outweighed by the camera's numerous strengths. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality action camera that won't break the bank, the GoPro HERO13 Black is a fantastic choice. With its impressive features and a reasonable price point, it's an investment that promises to deliver countless memorable moments and stunning footage. Happy filming! This is DCOM20.